So you might be in this random situation where for some reason Gemini is telling you that it cannot fulfill this request at this time. Now there's a couple of different reasons why something like this could end up happening. Now number one of the first things I'd recommend for you to check out is to just double check your internet connection. So sometimes your internet connection could be the problem here. So just double check that, make sure you're connected to some sort of internet connection, some data connection. That's going to be the very first thing I'd recommend thinking about. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem here, another thing I'd recommend thinking about here is to go through and see if you're using the Gemini application or the website. If you're using the application, I would recommend going through and just trying to see if there is an update available for that app. So jumping right over here, searching up Gemini inside of your app store, and then going through and seeing if there's an update available. If there is an update available, I'd probably recommend going through and try updating the application. That'd be a very easy, important thing you can try doing there. Now, if you do that and that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to just double check the prompt that you basically put in. Sometimes you might just have to go through and try like retyping the prompt in or typing in a different type of prompt, putting in like a different type of prompt inside of it. That can also be another really easy thing to go through and basically fix there as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If that's still not working, try closing out of Gemini and opening it back up and try putting in that same prompt, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.